Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in, no, I forget what it is, but we're at the Posey Township Volunteer Fire Department, and right up there is a Darley Model 5, right up there, and you can see the motor from here. It looks like it might be a display siren. I'm not sure, but it's for some reason at this church. And there's the cable. Looks really bad and chewed up. So yeah, that might be just support beams. And so this is what it looks like right under it. Can't really see anything since the Darley is right up there. But now you can see the bottom of it, so yeah. I think I can see some rust damage right on the hood like usual. Oh, that's someone's yard. You can see a tiny bit of light. And so that's not really anything else to see other than the ID tag, which is, well, there is another hole in the hood right up there, but you can see the ID tag right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. So you know, so it's right there. So, yeah. So bye for now.